So today we're doing a video and we are comparing two different lace products. On this side we're going to Gold Hold Active, and then on this side over here to use Ghost Bond, which one?
XL.
Ghost Bond XL. And is the stylist. She will be doing my re-glue. She already did my original install a couple of weeks. We're using the same braid foundation because I don't really need to get my braids redone. And I'm talking. If you are new to Magic Hair Company, we are a wig boutique located in River City, California. We're right here in between National and La Cienega. We are a custom lace wig boutique. We specialize in making lace front, full lace, and 360 lace wig. On the inside of the wigs, you can actually take this part off. So when I actually glue down my wigs, I take this off because it's a little bit more comfortable. just tuning in, on the left side here, which is my left, this is my left, I'm using Bold Hold Active on this side here. Right side we're using Ghost Bond Extreme. This side is Hold Extreme. Today I am doing my 4-day update of my Bold Hold Active on this side over here. And on this side over here, we have Ghost Bond XL. So after 5 days, I can say there's a slight difference. My Ghost Bond XL side is a little bit more gummy, but it is still, it still has a really good hold. This lifting was from day 1, but it didn't spread. There's no other lifting on the Ghost Bond XL side. And on my Bold Hold side, I have slight lifting just right here on the ear, and that happened after day 4. It is less tacky to the touch than the Ghost Bond side. So this side with my Bold Hold is a little bit less tacky, but that is my 5-day honest, non-paid, non-sponsored review of my Bold Hold Active and my Ghost Bond XL.